Minista wa ũgitĩri Kipchumba Murkomen mena munene wa borithi Douglas Kanja ni macereire maabitha borithi arĩa me kaunti ya Baringo mĩhang'o-inĩ ya kũhĩtana na aici a mahiũ, kũrĩa orĩtie maabitha borithi matigathikĩrĩrie mĩhuhu ĩrĩa ĩrerekerio rũhonge-inĩ rũrũ na marute wĩra ũrĩa wĩ wao.
Contrary to the propaganda you see around, the operation Maliza Uhalifu is delivering big. It is delivering, and we are not going to go back. If anybody thought that we are going to slow, we are going to cede any part of Kenya to any of the criminals, I want to say this without fear of contradiction, that we are not going to cede any part of this republic to any criminal.
Those charges are charges that cannot distract us from doing what we are supposed to do.
Augĩte rũhonge rwa ũgitĩri nĩ rwĩhotorete gũtũma ũteithio o wothe kũrĩ maabitha borithi arĩa me mĩhang'o-inĩ ya kũgacĩrithia thayũ rũgongo rwa bũrũri makĩria kũrĩa kũgũmĩirwo nĩ aici a mahiũ.
Kuambia wananchi wa Kenya, wale wa Baringo, msiusiwe uoga. Wale wakora kidogo ambao wanajaribu kutusumbua hapa, tuko na dawa yao, na ya kwamba ni vizuri tukiwa hapa tunasherekea ya kwamba mabadiliko makubwa yametokea sana tangu tuanze operation Maliza Uhalifu. Tumeona ya kwamba sehemu nyingi za Baringo, sehemu nyingi za Elgeyo Marakwet, ya Turkana, ya West Pokot imepata utulivu. Uko Laikipia watu wako mashamba yao wanalima kwa sababu ile kazi ilifanyika hapa kwa miaka 2 iliyopita imebadilisha.
Ohugite mĩhang'o ĩno nĩ yambĩrĩirie gũciara matunda amu kwĩna marĩkĩtie kũnyitwo.
We arrested somebody who was aiding in purchasing livestock that is stolen in this region. And going forward, you will be seeing more of such arrests. You will be seeing us targeting the ones who are facilitating and targeting those who are inciting people to engage in violence.
Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Jenga Wabui.